Good evening, hello and welcome. We're getting you this edition from the CNN News 18 Federal Bank newsroom. I'm Poonam Burde. Let's get you started with some breaking news that's coming in. This is to do with the bail that has been granted to Arvind Kejriwal by the Supreme Court in the Liquorgate case. There are certain conditions that have now been applied by the Supreme Court as far as his interim bail goes. CNN News 18 has accessed details, the complete order that has come to the fore from the Supreme Court. There are 5 conditions that have been laid by the Supreme Court on the Chief Minister. He cannot visit the Secretariat or the Chief Minister's office. He cannot sign any official files in the period of the 21 days that he is going to be out on bail. This bail has been granted strictly for campaigning purposes for the Aam Aadmi Party in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. A bond of 50,000 is also something that the Chief Minister of Delhi will have to sign to walk out of Tihar jail where he currently is lodged. He will not be able to speak about this particular case while he's on campaign trail. That's a condition that has been laid down by the Supreme Court as well. A total of 5 conditions based on which his interim bail has been granted by the Supreme Court for 21 days until the 1st of June. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, is going to be out on bail. On the 2nd of June, he has to surrender. Ananya, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Ananya, these conditions that have now been laid down by the Supreme Court on Arvind Kejriwal, this was hinted during the course of the hearing as well?
Well, definitely these were hinted during the course of the hearing. And in fact, if you remember, there was a grand discussion that happened, in fact, on whether or not he should be carrying out his CM business when he is out on this particular interim bail, or should this bail only be for the purposes of an interim for the purposes of campaigning. And Supreme Court has very well clarified in its order that this bail is only and only for the campaigning purposes. He cannot visit the CMO or, in fact, the Secretariat, the Delhi Secretariat is what has been clarified by the Supreme Court order. Other conditions remain are that, he cannot speak about his role in this particular case, to the media or anybody else, and during his campaigning as well. But very well, this is a very, very clear order, and important part of this particular order is with regards to the reasons why this bail has been granted. The Supreme Court has, stated that the investigation had been going on since August 2022, and he could have been arrested either 21 days prior to it or 21 days later to it. And that's exactly became the major contention point as to why this particular interim relief had been relied on. And the Supreme Court has very clearly stated that, the legality of his arrest is still pending adjudication before the Supreme Court itself. And until then, only for these 21 days, he is now granted this particular interim relief. And very clearly and categorically, it has been stated that he cannot speak about his role. He cannot go to the CM office or can not go to the Secretariat as well, and cannot contact any kind of a witness in this particular case or touch any files with regards to the Delhi liquor excise policy scam. So very clearly and categorically, the Supreme Court's order, a short one, but definitely an effective one in this particular case. So whether or not this order becomes a precedent in later cases or not is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But definitely, it's a big day for the Delhi Chief Minister, coming out for 21 days, and celebrations are there at the Aam Aadmi Party office as well.
Absolutely, and it's not just the Aam Aadmi Party that's rejoicing this particular order that has come to the fore from the Supreme Court. It's alliance partners within the India bloc also welcoming this order from the Supreme Court. But what happens next now? When are we expecting, Ananya, for the Delhi Chief Minister to be walking out of Tihar jail?
Well, in order to complete, all of the procedures in this particular case, and to move the Tihar jail now, since the orders are uploaded, these orders would now be sent, in fact, to the Tihar jail superintendent, and then bail bonds would be filed. And then only can we expect that the Chief Minister is actually out of the jail. Remember that it would almost take 7 to 8 p.m. in the evening when we can expect the Delhi Chief Minister to be out of the Tihar jail. But definitely, this has come as a shot in the arm for the Aam Aadmi Party. We saw how celebrations had taken place at the Aam Aadmi Party office. And, there is a boost of energy that has come back to the Aam Aadmi Party, which had been missing its chief minister and, in fact, its national convener, the topmost brain, which had, in fact, designed this whole party. And now, very, very clearly, it would also play up politically as well. But what happens next? How would the campaigning go? Whether or not he will speak about his role in this particular case or not? All of this would only be answered with a matter of time and when they pass on.
Right, Ananya, we are seeing this order that you've accessed for us. It's an 8-page order that has come to the fore from the Supreme Court. It also goes on to speak of how this interim bail will not be treated as an expression of the merits of this particular case. So once he surrenders, once we go back to the hearing on his plea that challenged the arrest in the first place, that is when the court will go into the merits of the case?
Well, definitely, the main issue with regards to the legality of his arrest is pending before the Supreme Court, and very clearly and categorically the Supreme Court has said that this relief that is being granted to him is only and only because of the election, and that too because of the Lok Sabha election, which come only in 5 years, and that's exactly why this has been allowed to the Delhi Chief Minister, since he's the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party and also the Chief Minister of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. But at this point of time, on this interim bail period, he cannot function as the Chief Minister, he cannot visit the CMO office, or in fact go to the Delhi Secretariat as well. But a 50,000 of bail bond with a one surety of like amount shall be submitted is what in fact has been stated by the Supreme Court in its order. 7 to 8 p.m. is something when we can expect the Delhi Chief Minister to be out, but we'll have to wait and watch as to what happens next and how well the Aam Aadmi Party, prepped for the welcome of their Chief Minister and their national convener.
Right, Ananya, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that. Coming in from court, the countdown has begun. The Chief Minister of Delhi is going to be walking out of Tihar jail in a few hours from now, once the legalities, the formalities, the paperwork really is over. The political war of words, meanwhile, is escalating. The Aam Aadmi Party and all of its allies within the India bloc have come out and not only hailed this particular verdict, but even lashed out at the BJP and the central government. The BJP in turn says that this is not a clean chit, this is just an interim relief. Listen in to those reactions.
हम पूरे दिल्ली के लोगों की तरफ से, देश के संविधान प्रेमियों की तरफ से, पूरी पार्टी की तरफ से सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं कि उन्होंने इस तानाशाही के अंधकार युग में दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल को अंतरिम बेल दे करके एक उजाले की रोशनी जलाई है।